A very good morning to my dear 9 class students. I hope you all are doing good and studying. We are beginning with another topic in the chapter Socialism and Russian Revolution. Yesterday I gave you a video explaining what is socialism and what are the principles of socialism. Today I am moving with the chapter and I am moving to the rise of socialism. What were the causes that led to socialism in Europe? कोई भी रेवोल्यूशन होता है, कोई भी थॉट होता है, कोई भी चीज़ आगे बढ़ती है तो उसके पीछे कुछ ना कुछ बैकग्राउंड होता है, कोई रीज़न होता है. सपोज़ आज मेरी फैक्ट्रियाँ बंद कर दी जाएं या मेरे लैंड को कब्जा कर लिया जाए तो मैं एजिटेशन पे बैठ जाऊंगा, मैं धरने पे बैठ जाऊंगा, मैं प्रोटेस्ट करूंगा. सो इसी तरीके से सोशलिज्म के लिए भी तो कुछ बैकग्राउंड हुआ होगा. सम incidents, some things must have been responsible. That is why सोशलिज्म का कॉन्सेप्ट आया, सोशलिज्म का थॉट आया, सोशलिज्म पॉपुलर हुआ वर्ल्ड में इतना. तो व्हाट आर द बैकग्राउंड, व्हाट वर द कॉजेज लेड टू सोशलिज्म इन यूरोप, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे. Before I make you the realize the causes of socialism, it is very important to understand the society structure of Europe at that time. Actually, the society of that time was dominated by the artisans. Artisans were owners or capitalists, means rich people जिनके पास पावर थी. ये लोग थे जो सोसाइटी को डोमिनेट करते थे. आर्टिसंस वर द पीपल हु वर dominant over there. They were the owners, they were the capitalists, they were the main people of the players of Europe. Dominated, and they dominated the labor class. They dominated the labor class. How they dominated the labor class, that I am going to tell. It was a time in Europe when industrial revolution was very high. Industrial revolution means more and more and more and more capitalists were opening the industries in different parts of Europe, in Italy, France and all. More and more industries were getting set up in England, history, France, Italy, where तो इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन था. रेवोल्यूशन मीन्स बूम ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज वॉज देयर एंड द आर्टिसंस वर डोमिनेटिंग द लेबरर्स. ठीक है, लेबरर्स को कैसे डोमिनेट कर रहे थे? दे वर डोमिनेटिंग द लेबरर्स, दैट लेबरर्स वर पेड वेरी लो वेजेस. They were made to live a life that was very tough. They were living in small cottages, dingy, very unhygienic conditions. They were made to work for long hours and their pay was very low. The wages was very low. High working conditions, high working hours were there. They were made to work and work for the capitalists, and capitalists were becoming rich and laborers, they were just losing their life. They were not allowed to get vacation. Their standard of living was very poor. They were finding it hard to survive, but they were made to work more and more. काम बहुत लिया जा रहा था, उसके मुकाबले पैसा नहीं दिया जा रहा था. और हद तो तब हो गई when it came to women laborers. Women laborers were also made to work and they were paid very less. They were made to work like men. उतने ही घंटे काम कराया जा रहा था विमेन लेबरर से जितने मेन से कराया जा रहा था. बट द आर्टिसंस वर सो exploiting in nature. They were so rude. They were so I would be saying hard-hearted, that they only had one thing in mind, that these are slaves, these are animals, and they were treating the laborers like animals. The women were also, the children were also treated like as they are slaves. They were not treated as workers. Their dignity was falling, their standard was falling, their morale was going down, and a lot of problem was happening there in the society. Means the complete laborers were losing their strength, losing their morality, losing their money, and even they were made to die. With such conditions, laborers were losing their life also. All this thing was increasing very fast and the situation was getting worse and worse. So this made many people think and raise the voice against the artisans and the dominant class or the capitalists, and this spread the idea of socialism. Socialism basically means dividing the wealth and bridging up the gap of inequality, making the people equal, providing facilities to laborers, providing money to laborers, and also raising the standard of life of the laborers. So this idea of socialism came into context because of the problems created by the artisans. And there were number of people who were behind raising this idea. There were a lot of people like Robert Owen and Saint Simon, Louis Blanc, and most popular among them was Karl Marx. Karl Marx and all these people, they were pioneers, they were the revolutionaries that wrote, that organized the laborers, they infused laborers with the idea, with the dignity कि आप लोग किसी से कम नहीं हैं, और ऐसे ऐसे लेख उन्होंने रेवोल्यूशन किया, उन्होंने लोगों को जगाया, और they started making people realize that they are not slaves. So the very cause of socialism was that the problem of laborers was there. Artisans were dominating the laborers. The laborers were made to get very low wages. Their standard of living was very less. They were made to work very high hours without extra wages. The same was the condition with women laborers. They were also ill treated by the owners and capitalists. I hope you must have understood the causes of rise of socialism in Europe.